In this video, I will be showing you how to fix a common ChatGPT error in the message stream to get your chats back up and running smoothly. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to the top left of my browser and click on the refresh icon to see if a simple page reload fixes the issue. If the error persists, I'll move to the top right corner of the Chrome browser and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the main menu. From the drop-down list, I'll hover over Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. Here, I can see all my active add-ons. I'll look for any VPN or ad blocking extensions that might be interfering with the connection. I see my VPN extension here, so I'll click the toggle switch to turn it off. Sometimes these tools can block the data stream that ChatGPT relies on. Once that's disabled, I'll close the Extensions tab and head back to the ChatGPT homepage. Now, I'll try another method by clicking on the small padlock icon or the settings icon located right next to the URL in the address bar. This opens up the site information panel. I'll click on Cookies and Site Data, and then select Manage on Device Site Data. In the pop-up window, I'll see chatgpt.com listed. I'll click on the trash can icon next to it to clear the specific cookies for this site, then click Done. If it's still not working, I'll go back to that site settings menu one more time. I'll click on the icon next to the URL and this time I'll select Site Settings. This opens a new tab with detailed permissions for ChatGPT. I'll look for the usage section at the top and click the Delete Data button. A confirmation prompt will appear warning me that I'll be signed out and any offline data will be cleared. I'll go ahead and click Delete to ensure a completely fresh start for the web application. With the site data fully reset, I'll close the Settings tab and go back to the main page. I'll click the Reload button once more. Since I cleared the cookies, I'm now logged out. I'll click on the Login button, and when the Google sign-in prompt appears, I'll select my account and click Continue. I'll wait a moment for the system to verify my credentials. Once the page loads, I can see that the interface is back to normal. The "Where should we begin?" prompt is visible, and my previous chat history has reappeared in the sidebar. The message stream is now fixed and ready for a new conversation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.